Alright guys, we're going to talk about the obd2 port on an Infinity G35. Apparently everybody's having problems getting them connect to the obd2 scanner. What I found is that pin 16 is going to be your constant power, which should power on your obd2 scanner when you plug it in. Apparently, for some reason, it's not connecting on a lot of vehicles. I've seen a lot of posts with you guys saying that you can't get it done. I happen to have the same problem on mine when I connected. Fortunately, I tested it and I found that pin 8, which is directly above it, I'll show you here in just a second, is the accessory power, which is the power when you turn your key on. So one is an all-the-time power, one is an accessory power. It doesn't hurt to switch them, and when you swap them, when you turn your key on, it gives you your power that you need for your obd2 port to scan. So let me show you here what I'm talking about. On the plug here, if you're holding it just like this, pin 16 is going to be this bottom pin right here to the far right. Pin 8 is going to be right above it on the top. If you swap those two, which is the red and white wire and the green wire should be in 16 and the red wire should be in 8. But if you swap them, at least when you hook onto your obd2 scanner now, give me just a second here, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Now, when you click on your key, the obd2 port will power on the scanner. If I can get this key in the ignition. And there you have it. We've got power. It's ready to scan. There you go, fellas. Just a little quirk I found in the system. Switch it over, you got power. Your other lines are still in the same spot, so you're still getting the exact same reading as you would if the original worked. I hope this helps some people, man. You have a good day. If this helps you out, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one.